Let's solve this question together. Solve log x base 3 plus log x minus 8 base 3 equal to 2. White pass question 2023, question number 6. This is a theory question. Alright, solution. Okay, now looking at this question now, we find that this log have common base 3, right? And this addition. So we are going to utilize addition law under logarithm, right? And for addition law, when the log have common base, what will you do? You write 1, right? That is, you are going to write log base 3 now. And what happen to the numbers? These numbers, you multiply, right? This is x into x minus 8. Then you can equate it to what? To this 2, right? Okay, at this point, we have two methods through which you can use to find it and still get your answer. Alright, now we define log as log of a number to a base is defined as the power to which the base must raise to get the number. And then translating this definition into solving this, we found that it must be 3 power 2 must be equal to x into x minus what? 8, right? That is what I just defined now. Now you can see the other method and still get your answer. Now 3 power 2 is 9 equal to open bracket x times s squared minus x times 8 8x, right? Now if you like, this can also be written as saying s squared minus what? 8x equal to 9, right? Yeah. Alright, and this can also be what? S squared minus 8x. Take 9 this side, minus 9 equal to what? 0. This is a quadratic what? Equation. Then you can solve it. You can solve this equation. Look for two numbers such that their product will give you minus 9 and their sum will give you what? Minus 8, right? Yeah. Minus 8. Now, but first of all, you have to multiply this and this. If you multiply s squared by minus 9, you get what? Minus 9s squared, right? Yeah. So the two numbers now, or two terms that will give you this by multiplication and this by addition must be minus 9x and plus x, right? Yes, because if you say minus 9x times x is minus 9x squared. If you say minus 9x plus x is minus 8x. So these are the factors, right? Now, you know how we solve a quadratic equation now. We are going to substitute this one and then include this and this, right? So that will give you, the equation is what? S squared minus, and this is one now, 9s. This one is plus s. This one is out already, right? Minus 9, must give me 0. Now let me bracket the thing and then solve. At this point, what will I do? Let me factor out the common factor, which is what now? S is common here. S into x squared, x remain, and 9 remain here, right? Yeah. And plus, what is common here? X and 9. The common factor there is 1. So, and that should be x remain and 9 still be here, right? Yeah. Equal to what? 0. Look at this bracket, these two brackets, they are the same. So that we are correct. Because if you are solving quadratic equation, this must be the same. At this point, I'm going to factor out 1, bring 1 out, and that is what? X minus 9. Then also write 1 now, x plus 1. All equal to what? 0, right? And for here, equate the first bracket to this. You have x minus 9 equal to 0, right? And the second bracket, x plus 1 equal to 0. Continue this one. You find x must equal to what? 9 or x equal to what? Minus 1. Now, an answer to this particular question must be positive value, right? So therefore, S equal to 9 becomes your answer.